Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Luverne 9.5-inch grip step. This is the step only that can work with a bunch of different vehicles. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the 9.5-inch grip step we're gonna open. This can be used with a bunch of different vehicles. You can buy it as the step alone, or you can buy it with the step and the brackets. Just wanna make sure that if you're expecting to attach it with the brackets, that you buy the brackets along with it and don't just buy this step by itself. So this is how it's shipped. This is a 9.5-inch wide step. It's 54 inches wide. It's typically used on passenger side sliding door, like you can see behind me, on like a ProMaster or a Sprinter or a Transit. We're going to be using this on the ProMaster, and so just as I open this, you can see we have a bag of hardware here. This looks like it's might be stainless steel. Also on top here we have the install guide that shows you how to essentially attach the grip step to brackets. Again, the brackets are going to be in a different box or sold separately depending on how you buy it. We have, looks like some steel plates in here. Pull tab to open. All right, okay. There's some powder coated black steel brackets. Looks like there's 3 of them in here. Look like this, have little square holes in them, so yep, so we've got carriage bolts here and some lock nuts. They're gonna be working with those. And then here is the main item in this box, and it is our grip step. And this is 9.5 inches by 54 inches, and you can just see here how beastly yet slim this is, because there are some other side steps that you can get for the ProMaster that are just bulkier and thicker, but this is a nice step. You're gonna fit a boot on there, no problem. You're not gonna slide off of that. You can see these little perforations that are in here, along with some, serrated edges that are gonna give you a nice grip step to step on when you need to get into the side of a van. If you've got a van like the one behind me without a step, it's quite a step to get into the van. There's no kind of integrated side step like the Transit has or the Sprinter, so the ProMaster really does need a side step to make it easy to get in and out of there. Now again, because of this design, you're not going to worry about buildup of snow and ice and mud and stuff like that. Any moisture that comes through here is just going to wash through these grates. Essentially, it's going to keep it nice and clean. Now again, you're going to want to purchase a bracket kit to attach this to the vehicle. If you're replacing maybe a damaged one or something like that and your brackets are intact, you can just buy this step to replace it. Otherwise, you're going to make sure that you get that bracket kit as well. Now this is a steel product, like I mentioned. It's powder coated black. It does come with a lifetime warranty. I believe there's only a 3-year warranty on the finish of the paint, which is expected, but a great product here from Luverne. We're gonna be doing an install of this on our ProMaster behind me, so make sure you watch that video. So if you're looking for this step or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan, and have a good one.